Hello, my name is 4th class Jake Metcalf from the Massachusetts Maritime Academy, and welcome to my BioBits project on fungal mitochondrial networks and how they allow plants to communicate with each other, or aka how plants talk to each other. So today I'll be talking about fungal mitochondrial networks and their role in plant communication. While the idea of plants talking to each other might sound like science fiction, it's true and has some science to it. Plants do communicate with each other through underground root systems, and the definition of communication is the process of sending and receiving messages either verbally or non-verbally. But in the case of plants, communication is entirely non-verbal. So, what are fungal mitochondrial networks, and how does each part benefit from the relationship? So, when this relationship forms, the fungi either grows on the surface of the plant's root or within them. From there, they extend out and connect to the roots of other plants with the same fungi, forming an interconnected underground network like we call the Wood Wide Web, which is a play on words for World Wide Web, but for plants. Once connected through the mitochondrial networks, plants can share biochemical signals and even nutrients. These networks can link two or more plants, even across different species, and the communication involves biochemical signaling. So this relationship is mutually beneficial between both the fungi and the plant, and the fungus helps the plant absorb more water and nutrients efficiently, and the plant provides sugars and other types of food for the fungus to make sure they both reproduce. So you may wonder why plants need to communicate at all. Well, unlike humans, plants don't have any social motivations to communicate. It's their communication is entirely focused on survival. According to research from the journal article Interplant Communication Through Mitochondrial Networks, Meditates Complex Adaptive Behavior in Plants by Monica A. Gorzlak, Amanda K., Assay Brian J. Pickles, and Susan W. Simmerd, shows that plants can send warnings, share nutrients, and help each other adapt to changing environments through these root networks. So we can see here in this little graph, the plant root system has a mitochondrial network in it, and they're transporting defense signals, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, water, and they're communicating. Um, so, in conclusion, fungal mitochondrial networks provide mutual benefits to both the fungi and the plants. They also allow nonverbal plant communication, allow plants to send biochemical signals, and even transfer resources through their roots from one plant to another. This next slide is my works cited, which I have the interplant communication through mitochondrial networks meditates complex adaptive behavior in plant communities that I mentioned before. I have the biology dictionary defining what communication is, and also the mystery of plant communication, how plants talk to each other from everyday botanics. So thank you for watching my BioBits project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something about how plants talk to each other. Thank you very much.